Welcome to today's Rockler demo. Today we're going to focus on a number of products that could make your shop a more efficient and more enjoyable place to spend your time, especially if it's a small shop. Whether your shop is one wall in your garage or a corner of your basement or even a backyard shed, we're hoping to spark an idea that you can apply in your shop. Let's get started. Number one, get things off your floor. Anything that you keep on your floor is going to get in the way at some point. So look for ways to mount tools or work surfaces or supplies on your wall or even on the ceiling. For example, these Rocksteady worktop wall brackets make it easy to create a wall-mounted work table that folds down to save space. Mount the brackets to wall studs that are 32 inches apart, and you can attach up to a 24-inch deep by 40-inch wide work surface. One pair of brackets holds up to 500 pounds. Folding the table down is simple. Just pull the rubber-coated latches on both brackets simultaneously. Another great option is to look for tools that mount on the wall, such as this Dust-Right wall mount dust collector. It mounts easily to the wall with keyhole slots, saving valuable floor space in your shop. Or this convertible benchtop router table that also mounts to the wall and easily folds down for storage. You get all the function of a full-size router table in a compact version that folds flat. Other great space savers are wall-mounted lumber racks, clamp racks, or pegboard for other tools. And wall or ceiling-mounted cord reels and the Rockler ceiling track system keep cords and hoses off the floor to prevent tripping hazards or cluttering your work areas. Number two, make the rest mobile. If something must stay on the floor, make it mobile. Even if it's a tool or work surface that you almost always use against the wall, put casters or a mobile base under it so you can move it when you need to. These workbench casters are retractable, so you can move the bench when you need to and then drop it to the floor for a stable work surface that won't move. Number three, improve the lighting. You'll be amazed at how much different your shop feels with better and more even lighting. Replace old fluorescent banks with newer, brighter, and more efficient LED lights. Or add task lighting over tools or benches where you need more light. Number four, create multi-purpose tool stations. Set up your tool carts or workstations to store more than one tool. Now this could be as simple as just a two-tiered cart with one tool on top, one on the bottom, and you switch out the position depending on the task at hand. Or set up a work cart with multiple benchtop tools on top. The Rockler steel shop stand components make a great platform to build a tool station. The legs and stretchers are available in multiple sizes to create the perfect custom tool cart, and casters mount easily on all the stands. Another option, if you have a full-size table saw, is to install a router lift in your table saw extension table. This is often available table space, and sometimes the rip fence can do double duty for both machines. Number five, improve your dust collection. This isn't really a space saver, but an effective dust collection system will make your shop more enjoyable and safer to work in, especially if it's a shared space such as a garage. Any dust that you can collect at the source is dust that won't be falling on your car, bikes, or anything else you store in your garage. Now we've already mentioned wall-mounted dust collectors, but if your primary dust collector is a shop vacuum, then get yourself a Dust-Right dust separator. It stops the large dust particles in pieces before they get to the dust collector, keeping the filter cleaner longer. You can also use the ceiling track system I mentioned earlier to hang a curtain to help contain the dust in your work area. Wow, I know that was a lot of ideas in a short time, and you've probably got plenty more that you could put on top of this list. But whatever size shop you have, I hope you saw something today that will spark an idea that you can apply to your shop. We appreciate your time today and for letting us help you create with confidence. I'm Dan Carey with Rockler and Woodworkers Journal. Thanks for watching.